Hi everyone, welcome to Cartown Kia. I'm Gabrielle. I have Hadley here with me. So she is going to be going over some details on a brand new 2025 Kia K4. So why don't you talk about this vehicle?
Yeah, absolutely. So this is your new 2025 Kia K4. It is coming in replacement of the traditional Kia Forte. So from 2025 moving forward, this will be your new Kia Forte. Again, it's called the K4. So you'll see the entire front end of the vehicle, they've completely changed. You've got a daytime amber running light here that goes across and down. The new signature logo here on the front as well. Moving around to the side, you've got 17-inch machine alloy wheels, now standard on your EX trim levels. Keyless entry here on the side that will allow you into the vehicle. You've got your blind spot monitor there on the window as well. This one you're going to have a beautiful medium gray cloth interior. It is going to be standard to have the dual inch display screens that you will now see. It was not offered on the Forte previously. Wireless charging pad as well as two Type-C charging ports. The EX trim level is a push to start, and you do have remote start on your key as well. Moving around to the back, you'll see that a huge feature change here is going to be your hatch door handle on the side. Back seat, you're going to have two more Type-C charging ports as well as a small storage box. You will also see that the two front seats, you will have a brand new headrest design to make it more comfortable for the driver as well as the passenger. And then in the back as well, it's just going to be your traditional headrest. And moving around here to the back, you will have a small button for your trunk, full trunk space per usual. Now you will see that you have two buttons on either side that does put down your rear seats. It's going to be a 60-40 fold, but gives you a little more access if you're moving anything larger and need that extra room. And this color is going to be the Morning Haze. It is the first new color that they've put on the K4, and the interior is going to be your medium gray.
The colors look great. And guys, the starting MSRP on this one is $25,142. If you have any questions, feel free to let us know. All of our contact info is listed right here. Thanks for watching, and we will see you all next time. Bye.